Let's pack lunch for my picky eating first grader. Today, I'm a bit under the weather, so we're doing leftovers. What would you like? We have tortellini and we have dumplings with ackee and saltfish.
Tortellini.
So tortellinis. So tortellini. So tortellini it is. Let's go. Let's go.
I love that part so much.
So she had tortellinis for dinner last night. So I'm basically just gonna add some cream, some more Alfredo sauce, and some cheese to make it all brand new again. And get this on the stove. My pukos, what are you gonna have for snack? For fruits and snacks, she's gonna have Ritz crackers, cheese, drinkable yogurt, and some strawberries. How many crackers? How many crackers?
2.
Cassidy, you want Lasco? For drink, she's gonna have Lasco. This is the creamy malt flavor. water. Spork. How much do you want?
How much water do I want?
Tortellini.
About half.
You want to check? Rosie, is it necessary to always make a mess? Tortellini, strawberries, crackers and cheese, Lasco, drinkable yogurt. Wet ones. And that's everything I packed for my picky eating first grader based on what she asked for. Bye.